With yellow, I'm going to make a slip knot, going to chain 2. I'm going to work 8 single crochets in the second chain from hook. So here I have 8 single crochets. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm counting these little oval shapes that are facing me. So then I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. So I'm going to go underneath these 2 loops here, yarn over, draw the loop out, and bring that through the loop on my hook. And that's how I join the round. Then I'm going to cut back here, leaving enough yarn to sew my end in. And right now I'll show you how I sew the end in. So I'm going to tighten the starting chain here to close up that hole in the middle. And then I'm going to take my yarn needle, and I'll show you, I'll have a link to these needles down below. They're my favorite. So I just fold this over the eye of the needle, and then I push the folded end through the eye. And then after I've tightened the center, I come back here a little bit behind where the yarn came out, and I go back out past where the yarn came out a little bit, like that. And then I do that again. I'm gonna go a little bit behind it, and then I'm gonna go back out like that, and then behind it, and then back out. That should secure it. Okay, then I lay my scissors flat and I snip that. So now I'm gonna sew this end in where I joined the round. And I'm just gonna take this strand to the back. And then do the same thing and sew the end in. Okay, then I lay this flat. Okay, that completes round 1. Now round 2, you could use any one of these colors, but I'm going to use this color right here. Make a slip knot. Join with a slip stitch to any single crochet. So I'm going to go in here and go underneath 2 strands. I'm going to yarn over, draw that through, and bring that through the loop on my hook. And then I'm going to pull my starting chain tight, then I'm going to chain 10. Then I'm going to slip stitch in the same single crochet. I'm going to chain 10. Then I'm going to slip stitch in the next single crochet, right here. And then I'm going to chain 10. Then I'm going to slip stitch in the same single crochet again. You're going to have 2 slip stitches in every single crochet around, with chain 10 loops between them. So now I have 2 in these 2, now I'm going to slip stitch in the next one. And then I'm going to chain 10. And I'm going to go in that same slip stitch, that same single crochet again. Do a slip stitch like that. So I'm going to continue around and I'll come back on camera and show you how to do the joining. So I'm down to my last loop here. So I'm going to chain 10. And then I'm going to slip stitch in the first single crochet worked. So the first single crochet I worked in was right here. So I'm just going to join with a slip stitch in that same single crochet. And then draw that through. And then I'll snip back here. And then I'll sew the ends in. So these are zinnias. And these are all the colors that you can make. And then there's a bunch of other colors of zinnias also. So I want to thank you very much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe, sign up for notifications, put comments below, and I want to thank you so much for watching.